Hello everyone, I wanted to share with you a new project that I've got. Knit Quick Round Knitting Loom Set, and I also bought some extras which I'll show you as well. This kit was £12.99 on Amazon. I'll just show you inside. Let's turn it this way to make it easier. If you love wool, yarn and crafting, loom knitting is a fun way to expand your skills and create beautiful projects. Looms can be made of wood, metal or plastic and can be different sizes. So in here we have 4 looms. Just open these up. Now this kit comes with a loom hook and a large eye plastic needle. We have 4 different size looms. So this one is 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches diameter and has 24 pegs, the yellow one. And then the blue one is 19 centimeters, 7.5 inches. And this one has 31 pegs. The pink one is 24 centimeters, 9.4 inches diameter and has 36 pegs. And the green one is 29 centimeters, 11.4 inches diameter and has 41 pegs. It is actually made of very strong plastic. So they're round, and this is where you start with this little peg here. Also has some instructions. Also comes with some instructions on the back for making hats. But you can make so many projects with these. Not just hats, you can make blankets, shawls, socks, sweaters, lots of baby gifts. There's so many things that you can make from them. So if you want to like and subscribe to the channel, you can start some basic projects together. This is the hook that it came with. But I wanted more than just the one. With all the different crafts that I have on the go, it is very easy to lose things. So I did purchase this set from Amazon and it was £7.50. And then inside, let me just close the lid. We'll do it on here. Okay, so it actually comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It actually comes with 6 loom hooks, which I would say are a lot stronger than this one. No problem with this one, you can make a project, but I think I would prefer something more chunkier to hold in my hand. So these come with a soft grip rubber handle and they're very strong and durable, so they can be used for a long time. Lovely bright colours. And it also comes with, let me just count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It also comes with 8 needles, obviously stronger than the plastic one. And a handy tube with a stopper for keeping them in. I'm not sure if I know the size of these. Let me just check. It says, right, it doesn't actually say. Oh, they're all different sizes. I can see looking in, they are different sizes, but the largest one is 2.75 inches on that one. And these are stitch markers. These are very handy. I used to use these for crocheting. And very good to have. And again, stitch markers. So I think that was a very good bargain. I think my first project is going to be a headband. I want a headband, and all the headbands I buy will not stay on my head. So I want to have a go at doing a knitted one, a knitted headband, which I think you use this. Obviously it will stretch, your project will stretch because of the wool of the yarn. We tend to say wool in the UK, and I know in the US you say yarn. So yeah, I'm very happy. Very happy with this kit. So like and subscribe to the channel if you want to follow, and we can learn together as we go along. Who knows, we may advance to, we can make a sweater, who knows. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.